Hi guys, let's continue on with our Bohr models. We stopped at phosphorus. I believe we did. Let's go ahead and do sulfur now. So sulfur has the mass of 32. The atomic number is 16. Once again, that tells me that that's also the number of protons it has, and the neutrons are going to be 32 minus 16. Sulfur is in third period, so I know it's going to have 3 circles. Okay, so the first circle, as always, get maximum 2 electrons. Next one, remember to stagger them because electrons are negative charge. You don't want to bunch them all up together. Okay, here we go. And the second circle can have, or which is the second energy level, can have 8 electrons. So n is equal to 2. This can have 8 electrons, maximum 8 electrons. This right here is your nucleus. That's where the mass is. All right, and this is n is equal to 1 energy level, and this can have 2 electrons. Maximum it can have is 2 electrons. All right, so how many electrons total we have placed? We placed 10. We need to do 6 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the valence electron on sulfur is 6 valence electrons. Let's move on to chlorine. Chlorine has 35 as the mass and 17 is the atomic number. And I'm going to go ahead and put argon here too. Argon is 40. Remember, I told you guys to round it up or round it down. So for chlorine, it's going to be 35 minus 17. For neutrons, you're going to do 35 minus 17. Let me first put 17 proton, and that is going to be 18. So we have 17 electrons to place now. Once again, it's in third period. It's going to get 3 circles or 3 energy levels where the electrons are going to be placed. And here's the third circle. So I have placed 10. I need to do 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So chlorine has 7 valence electrons. Okay. Argon, let's go ahead and do argon's electrons right here. It has 18 protons, and it has 40 minus 18. It has 22. Thank you, my daughter over there, for helping me. 40 minus 18, 22 neutrons. First circle gets 2 electrons. And then the second is going to get, once again, 8. Maximum it gets is 8. And then you have your third circle, which is, remember I keep saying circle, but these are energy levels, okay? And we have 8 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So the valence electron for argon is 8 valence electrons. Okay? I hope this video was helpful. In the next video, I will be drawing Bohr model for potassium and calcium. Thank you for watching.